What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video I'm going to talk about Drone Delivery Canada. I recently did an interview with the CEO, and since then the stock has continued to fall. However, I am getting more and more excited about the opportunity that it presents. So in this video I'm going to explain to you why I like this opportunity and what my trading strategy is. Here we go. Okay, so first of all, this is all just my opinion. This video is for entertainment purposes only, and I do not have a position in Drone Delivery Canada yet. However, that is why I'm making this video, is to explain when I'm going to be getting in and why I'm going to be getting in. Now, Drone Delivery Canada is listed on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker symbol FLT for 63 cents as of today, November 5th. It is also listed in the USA on Pink Sheets as TAKOF for 47 cents. However, that exchange has much less volume when it comes to this particular stock. Now, if you're interested in doing more research on this company, definitely check out dronedeliverycanada.com. That is where you will find the most in-depth and up-to-date research. However, let's just explain a little bit about the company and why I like them. So basically, their business model is to develop and sell drones. So they have 3 different drones right now that are going through the process of approvals with the FAA here in Canada and soon in other countries around the world. And what they do is they develop the drones, they get them ready for approval, they put them onto a software, and they sell everything. They sell the drones, they sell the software, they license it out, they generate revenue in a variety of different ways, including software as a service, which is probably going to be a larger and larger part of their business model moving forward. And so a couple of different things about them is that they also license their products and their services. So some other operator in a different part of the world could pick up everything that they have developed and just license it in a different area of the world and pay them a licensing fee. That is also part of their model, and that is something that I really like about them, is that other people can help them grow their business, and the incentive is for that other person to grow their business, and it also helps Drone Delivery Canada, and that is something that I fully support. It is happening a lot in e-commerce with things like Shopify, but this is basically that exact example carried into the drone industry, and I'm a huge fan of that. All their systems are also aircraft agnostic, so they are developing 3 different drones, but they can also apply all of their system and software and platform to other airframes, other drones, other manufactured products, and they can basically implement it into their system that is all going to be regulated, controlled, and compliant with the regulations in each country. However, the big thing that I think a lot of people have a misconception about is that this is not going to be the company that delivers your little Amazon package to your door. This is a primarily business to government, business to not-for-profit type of organization where they are not focused on delivering your coffee or your Amazon package or your little e-commerce t-shirt. They are focused on business to business transportation. If you run a business where you need to transport a high value item from location to location and it is fairly consistent, this is going to be the ultimate mode of transportation for you. Okay, so now let's start talking about the company itself. So aside from their excellent business model, which I just described to you, they also have good management. I actually sat down with the CEO of Drone Delivery Canada, Michael Zara, and we had a great half-an-hour conversation. If you're interested in seeing me grill him and him do an excellent job of answering all of my questions, you should definitely check that out. I will throw the thumbnail up right now, and you can check out my YouTube channel for that video. So other than the management team, they also have a good, strong cash position. They did a raise over the summer, and they are now well equipped for the next year or so from regards to a cash position, which is really nice to see. They're also at the very forefront of this industry, and Michael definitely likes to point that out. I saw a company out of Singapore claim that they just did the first night delivery, and Michael actually called them out saying that they had done it in 2018. So really cool. These guys are definitely ahead of a lot of different companies in the industry. There's a lot of companies coming out with cool little teasers and nice videos, but Drone Delivery Canada is actually going out there and actually doing it, and has been for a couple of years now. And now lastly, one of the big reasons why I like this company is because the stock keeps on getting cheaper, and I don't have a position in it yet. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so as you can see, this is the chart dating back all the way to 2018, and it hit a high of $2.26, but since then it has basically plummeted down to about 50 cents in here. And what I think happened was the company came out, they probably put out a couple press releases, and people got super excited. The stock shot all the way up to $2.26, and then people started to realize, okay, they don't have any revenue yet, they're still in developments, they need a couple of approvals, and all of a sudden people were like, okay, maybe it's not valued quite this high. high. And so over time, they've been selling and selling and selling. And so what I think is happening now is we have finally come back down to the price where this company is actually reasonably valued. I think there is some actual intrinsic value here based on what they've developed and what the company is now worth. And I think that we are starting to get primed for some exponential growth here. So as you can see, the stock hit a low of 50 cents basically at the beginning of March, kind of beginning of April here. And then since then, it went all the way up to almost this $1 mark and is now trading at about 65 cents. So it has been a wild ride for this stock. It is pretty crazy here, but let me walk you through what my strategy here is and what my plan is to trade this stock. Okay, so like I pointed out, there was a low at about 50 cents, and so my strategy is if we get back down to that low of 50 cents, I am going to take a small entry position at 50 cents. I am not going to buy in anything lower than that. If it falls below 50 cents, I am not going to touch it. I'm probably going to cut my loss, and maybe I'll get back in later, but if it falls below 50, I'm not going to increase my position at 45 and 40. I'm going to cut my loss quickly, and I'm going to wait for it to continue to drop. Now, however, if it doesn't get down to that 50-cent mark, what I am going to do is I'm going to wait for this trend to change. And so how I'm going to determine whether or not that trend is changed is by using the 50-day moving average. And so when that stock closes above the 50-day moving average and probably again above the 100-day moving average, that is when I'm going to plan on taking my position. Now, as of right now, we're at least 5-10 cents away from that. So I am not chomping at the bit to get into this stock right now. However, it is at the absolute top of my radar. If I start to see it run, I'm going to get in right away. If I see it fall down to 50 cents, I'm going to take my entry position because I think there's some support there. And if we start to see this thing go parabolic, I'm going to increase my size as the stock runs. And as soon as I start to feel that the stock is overbought or it is way overvalued at the moment, just like it was back at the beginning of 2018, that is when I am going to exit my entire position altogether. So this is my strategy for Drone Delivery Canada. I wanted to put it out there and I wanted to make this video because I did the exact same thing on Very Good Butchers. However, I didn't make the trade and I didn't get into it, and the stock has gone from like $1.80 to like $5, and I definitely missed out on the boat. I got a little bit of FOMO on it, but that's okay. I am looking for the next opportunity now, and that is the best way to deal with FOMO. And I think for me, this is going to be the next opportunity. Like I said, I am not in it yet. However, I like everything about this company. The stock continues to get cheaper and cheaper, and so what I am waiting is for us to fall back down to that 50-cent level support, or us to see a clear trend reversal and see this stock start to increase. So if you guys are interested in seeing exactly when I get into this stock or learning a little bit more about how I analyze these stocks, you should definitely consider signing up for my Discord. I am trying to build a community of traders to share their daily technical analysis, and I personally share my technical analysis as well as my weekly watch list. So a plethora of trading ideas that you will get all for just $5 a month. If you're interested in signing up for that, definitely check out the links below or hit that join button here next to the subscribe button. And if you got any value out of this video, or you are even considering putting Drone Delivery Canada on your watch list, I need you to hit that subscribe button, I need you to hit that like button, and I need you to leave a comment down below. I'm trying to grow this channel and I would sincerely appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.